So while I was doing the Cape Coral situation with rent to retirement, I came across the 1031 process. So I said, besides doing a couple of properties, my wife and I on our own, why don't we 1031 this property into multiple properties? So that's where Zach came in to help out. I reached out to Zach and we hit it off immediately. He's a total gentleman. And he never pressured me into anything, but he outlined what we can do. You know, you can go this route, this route, this route. So we decided to 1031 into 4 properties in Florida. We closed on the last one fairly recently. They're all up and running, all rented. So the 1031 situation is now, like I said, it's going really well. We have a Cape Coral build that's still in process. We're going to be closing on an Ocklawaha property soon, and we're just going to keep going forward like that. So a little mix, little old school 1031 and some new stuff with our own situation.
Nice. And you get to not worry about tenant laws as much because Florida is probably a lot friendlier than where it sounds like you're dealing with, or you were dealing with.
That's where I wanted to be. I wanted to be in the Southeast. So Florida was choice number 1. And Zach and I had multiple conversations about the different areas, the aspects, and all that. So I was convinced from the start that that's where we should start.